I am so tired today.
Me too. Work was really busy.
My back hurts from sitting all day.
We need a break. Maybe some fresh air?
Yes, let's do something different tomorrow.
How about a morning walk in the park?
Or let's go hiking and watch the sunrise.
Hiking? That sounds fun, but it's so early.
Come on, it will be romantic.
Okay, I'm in. What time should we wake up?
Let's set the alarm for 4:30.
4:30? That's the middle of the night.
Trust me, it will be worth it.
All right. Early to bed, early to rise.
Good night, Omar.
Good night, Maya.
Maya, is that the alarm?
Yes, it's 4:30. Time to get up.
It's still dark outside.
Come on, sleepyhead, we'll miss the sunrise.
5 more minutes.
No, get up, brush your teeth, and wash your face.
Okay. Where's my toothbrush?
By the sink, I put out your jacket too.
You think of everything.
I want us to be ready. Did you pack water?
Yes, 2 bottles and some snacks.
Perfect. I'll bring a mat for sitting.
Let's check the weather.
It's cold. Wear your warm hat.
Ready to go?
Yes! Let's go before we change our minds.
The city is so quiet at this hour.
I love it. Look at the stars.
We never see them when we're busy.
This is already special.
How far is the trail?
Just 10 minutes.
I see the mountain. It looks high.
Don't worry, we'll go slow.
Are you sure we can do this?
Yes, step by step.
Okay, let's start.
The air is so fresh.
I feel more awake now.
Remember our last hike?
Yes, we got lost and laughed so much.
I miss this.
Me too. Nature is amazing.
Use the flashlight here. It's deep.
Wait for me.
Are you okay?
My legs are tired.
Let's rest for a minute. Drink some water.
Thanks.
Don't give up. We're almost there.
I'll try.
Look, that's the top.
Really?
Yes, just a little more.
Okay, let's go.
We made it!
I can't believe it.
You did great.
Only because you pushed me.
Look at the sky. The sun is coming.
It's beautiful.
Is it worth waking up early?
Yes, totally worth it.
I feel so happy right now.
Me too. This is the best start to our day.
Let's sit and enjoy the sunrise together.
I'm glad we did this.
Me too. Let's make this our new tradition.
Deal. Happy sunrise, Maya.
Happy sunrise, Omar.